Hi guys, this is LRC27. This is our wood cleaner, polisher and reviver. This will help remove ingrained dirt on timber. It's fantastic for things like French polished surfaces, getting rid of any sort of blooming on the surface, and revives the French polished surface perfectly. It's great for cleaning old sort of timbers and wooden areas to remove any dirt and grime off them, ready for carrying out any waxing processes or further protection measures. So as I say, this is LRC27 and it is the wood cleaner, polisher and reviver. And we're going to give you a quick demonstration of how to use it. And you can sort of clearly see here, if you come in closer, that the top of this unit is rather grubby and very dirty. And we are going to try to sort of clean one half so that we can show you the difference of exactly how good this is. With this particular product, you want to make sure the cloth is soaked in the material. You can put it in a bowl if you wanted and then wring out the cloth, but the cloth wants to be quite wet when you're using this. Don't worry about little bits of spills on the surface. Get it really soaked into the cloth. And you can already see where I've just wiped up that one little bit there, how much dirt is coming off. And we're just going to literally wipe that into the surface like so. And we're going to try to do that across in a line like that, and we can see how that goes and how that sort of beautifies the timber. You can see the dirt coming off there, it's absolutely staggering. So go back to another clean area and just keep loading that cloth up with this wood cleaner and polisher and reviver, and just keep rubbing in a circular motion. Just keep going over it in a circular motion like so. And you can clearly see the difference there already. It's enhanced that timber top there on this unit absolutely amazingly. And you can see that already. I mean, what an amazing difference on there straight away. It's already bringing the timber back to life and giving it a really nice sort of glow back to this pine surface and making it look absolutely fantastic again. So just keep loading that into the cloth. Make sure the cloth is absolutely soaked in this fluid. As I say, you can, if you wanted to, put it in a bowl and allow the cloth to be soaked into it that way and apply. And just keep giving that a good old scrub, rubbing it over in a circular motion until you've removed all the in-ground dirt that's on the surface of this pine top. And that's amazing how much of a difference that it's created and how much more it's revived this pine surface already. So it's still pulling dirt off, as you can clearly see, it's still getting the dirt out. We'll just turn it again to another clean section of the cloth, get it loaded back up again with the cleaning solution, with the wood cleaner and reviver, and just wipe it over the surface again. We'll give it a bit of a harder scrub this time to see if we can remove any more dirt. I think you'll find it'll still keep removing it. It's got quite a lot of years of in-ground dirt on here. And it's going to enhance all this, where we've got all the beautiful knots in this timber, it's going to enhance all those as well and make all those stand out even more than before. You can see how much more dirt and grime still coming off there. Let's go to a new cloth for the time being and get that soaked in it. Just soak it in like so and push it into the cloth like so. Make sure it's soaked right in. Just do that, make sure it's soaked right in, and then just wipe that over the surface. Give it a real good dousing of the cleaner and reviver. Once you've got it all nicely cleaned and revived, you can then start any waxing processes or protection processes that you want to carry out. But that's looking really lovely now. That's, you know, it's got a really nice golden glow to it again now, and it's looking fantastic. You can really see a huge difference on there now. And it's still bringing dirt off. Look at the amazing amount of dirt that it's still bringing off. Let's just give that a buff over with a dry cloth. You can see how much of a difference that makes on the surface now that we've given it a bit of a clean. And you can see the difference there. It's absolutely staggering. It's certainly revived that piece of timber that's not been cleaned for many years. And it's made that, you know, cleaned that up and revived that in no time whatsoever. And just look at the difference. I mean, it just feels so much nicer, and you can sort of feel that it's got, you know, protection again, and it's sort of been made to look fantastic and it's beautified it. But that is LRC27, the wood polish, wood cleaner and reviver. Works on all types of wooden surfaces whether it's French polished or highly glossed or a satin or a matte sort of finish wood, this will work on it. It'll remove in-ground dirt, it'll enhance your colours on your timber items and give it a protective coating as well. LRC27.